Smoke gets in your eyes.
I pulled every one of these.
Oh, you did already?
Yeah, and I found this one back here was bad, so I changed this one.
Oh, I see. So you really did a lot of that, huh?
Yeah, I've been through this. I've been working on this for about a week. This one, the only thing is I don't know if I got a good replacement on it. I just took one that was close to the same measurement.
Oh, who sold you that crappy radio? Oh, that was me. Yeah, I just, it's all my fault.
It's all Bob's fault.
Well, you're in good hands with Marv. Marv is great with the early stuff.
No, it was early.
Oh, how you making out with your 1-tube radio, by the way?
I am.
Still working on it?
I'm holding them up.
That's what it looks
Oh,
like.
you got it.
That's what it looks like.
Oh, yeah, that's it.
Yeah, I'm the one holding them up, Bob.
Okay. Now, what are you doing?
Brain surgery.
Oh, I guess, all right, I don't qualify then.
It's a shame we don't have a brain. It's a shame.
Yeah.
Pull it away when it's
Get him up over that edge.
And then slide around this, toward me.
So, but there is a downside.
Oh, that looks like fun.
If you hook that up. By the way, you mentioned the show, the review that was. Yeah, I went.
You should take a picture of it lit off. With the light bulb. There you go.
There you go.
Yeah, now that looks cool.
Just resurrected that. Just needed a 12AU7.
Well, yeah, and solder up all the components.
We had to solder up a few loose pieces.
Yeah.
So that's super cool.
Found the other end of it.
That's actually a nice thing
When
unit.
it clean up the cosmetics, I think it would look good on the.
I usually like to keep one analog meter around.
Some radios,
You get a B plus voltage on this plate when it's in AM position. You know that that coil is passing the B plus voltage through, which is what you want. So as I said, you have to measure, or one way to do is to measure the plate voltage on this too, this RF amplifier.
I have a tube tester, Harry, if you need to borrow it.
Yeah, we might, but it works in FM position though. So I assume that the tubes are basically working because the RF and the
These are really nice radios when they're tuned up. You got a 6V6 on the output, man. They sound great.
Yeah. Most of the time.
Most of the time.
And it works. It passes. So it's not this.
So you can get a signal all the way through?
From the mixer grid. But you can't get it from the antenna.
Oh,
so
okay.
It's either
So
the RF
somewhere...
amp or the RF coil, or the RF coil, or the switches are bad, and they're all inside the sealed can. Little problem.
Oh boy.
Yeah, right.
It's not gold, but it's silver. Oh. So I've got a couple of them that's silver.
But at least it's not two-tone. This is like, half gold, half gold.
Yeah, well, this'll turn silver too if you get the coating off.
Oh, wow.
Oh, all right. The hands of a sturgeon.
Hands of a sturgeon?
Sturgeon, yeah. Make do with what you have.
There you go.
I have an 068, these two 033s. I tell you.
In parallel, right?
That's
To get 1 microfarad?
No, it should be 066.
Oh, okay.
I need 068, that's close enough.
All right. So is it going to live?
Well, we'll see. It needs a new dial string, but it does make noise.
So you got an unusual waveform?
I little bit.
Oh, let's take a look.
Never quite seen this pattern before.
Okay, hold on. What the?
Hey, Bob, you have
Any heat shrink
a
tubing?
small piece of heat shrink?
Indeed. That's a strange waveform.
Yes.
Oh, you got it.
A little bit. I missed a few. Somebody was distracting me.
Hey, you're pretty good at this.
Lots of practice.